For today's video, we're gonna make some pesto bolognese sauce, industrial quantities for your family. Let's start off with some olive oil. Over here we have some smoked bacon, but if you want, you can put some regular store-bought bacon. Now we're gonna render out the fat and get it a little bit more crispy. We have 6 pounds of ground beef. Put the meat in slowly in the pot. This way, the oil doesn't splash you in the face. We're gonna add our green sauce into the meat sauce. Now for the green sauce, you can find the recipe in the description below because we already made a video about it. Mix in your green sauce with the meat. 3 bottles of tomato sauce, 796 milliliters each. When you're done making your pasta sauce, you can place them in a bunch of different containers. If you enjoy this recipe, give it a like. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and check out these other great videos.